Exercise 1.1, question number 4. Write down the pair of integers whose. So here we have to use the properties, and with the properties we can fill in the blanks. Minus 5 plus minus 8 is equal to minus 8 plus minus 5. So here it is showing us the property, that is we call it commutative property. So as integers are commutative under addition, so we can fill in the blanks using this property. The other one is minus 53 plus something is there in the blank, and the result is again minus 53. So this means that the result does not change. So that means if we add up 0, which is called additive identity. Okay, so after adding 0, we get the same number as it was. So this is additive identity property in this. Then question number 3, what should be added in 17 so that we can get a 0? So the answer is minus 17 should be added so that we can get the answer is 0. So here the property used is additive inverse. So when we add the inverse, the opposite sign number to a number, the result is 0. Fourth one, we have to fill in the blanks. So 13 plus minus 12. What should be added here so that it is equivalent to the right hand side? In the right hand side, there is a number minus 7 which is missing here. So we can keep it here minus 7. And as we can see, there is a square bracket here in the first two integers, and here the square bracket is here on the second two integers, and the results, they are equal. So this shows the property of associative property in integers, associative property for addition. So that means the addition is associative in integers. Same when we go for blank number 5, we have minus 4, 15 plus minus 3 in square bracket, and then minus 4 plus 15 in the square bracket, and the leftover thing is minus 3. We can understand this with this kind of property, that is again associative for addition, that is a plus b plus c is also equal to a plus b plus c. So using this property, associative property for addition, we can fill this blank.